Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your videos. In our previous video we studied letter A जिसकी sound होती है A. In our today's video we are going to study the next letter that is B and the sound of the letter B is B. Letter B and the sound of the letter B is B. So this is capital B. And along with we will study small b. Here is small b and capital B. Now we study from the book and we learn the vocabulary, the pronunciation, tracing of letter B. Letter B जिसकी sound होती है B. So this is say the sound and trace the letter B. B की tracing होती है we start from the upper line of the page, then go to the bottom, straight line will draw and go to the bottom. क्या करें then we will क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ से एक curved line लेंगे. We will draw a curved line like this to the middle of the page and then we draw a curved line again to the bottom of the page. Again क्या करेंगे हम we draw a straight line and then go to the bottom and then we'll draw a curved line like this to the middle part and then we'll draw a curved line to the bottom of the page. Same is the tracing of small b. We'll draw a straight line, start from the upper part of the page, then we'll draw a straight line to the bottom of the page and we'll draw by holding the pencil, we'll draw the curved line to the bottom of the page. We'll draw a curved line to the bottom of the page. So this is the drawing of letter B, its tracing and the sound is B. इसकी vocabulary होती है B banana, B butterfly, B box, B book, B bat, B bus. Again we repeat it. B banana, B butterfly, B box, B book, B bat, B bus. Now circle letter B from the given words. तो हमें पता है कि इनमें letter B कौन सा है. This is letter B, so we will circle it. Again this is letter B, so we will circle it. Again this is letter B in bus, we will circle this. Cab में this is B and this is bag. So we'll circle letter B in all these three words and here as well, bat and tub. Again we will repeat the vocabulary. B banana, B butterfly, B box, B book, B bat and B bus. Identify and circle the objects starting with B. Now we know that this is a bus. It starts with the letter B, sound B. So we will circle the object bus. Then this is ball and we know its pronunciation is ball. So we will circle the ball. This is bat. We will circle the object bat. This is banana. We will circle the object banana. These are boots. We will circle boots. These are boots. This is a book. Starts with the sound B. Letter B. We will circle book. This is B. So we will circle B. B होती है ना? So these are some objects that starts with the letter B and with the sound B. Now come to the next topic, that is identify and color the objects starting with letter B. B के साथ जो objects शुरू होते हैं उनको हम क्या करेंगे? आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे और उनको कलर करेंगे. आइडेंटिफाई का मतलब होता है पहचानेंगे और उनमें कलर करेंगे जो कि B के साथ स्टार्ट होते हैं. So the first one is book. So we will circle book and color it. And तो A के साथ शुरू होती है तो इसको हम कलर नहीं करेंगे. Butterfly starts with B, so we will circle the word बटरफ्लाई और इसमें हम कलरिंग कर देंगे, प्यारा सा कोई भी कलर, यू कैन चूज एनी वन कलर. द नेक्स्ट वन इज बैट. बैट स्टार्ट्स विद B, B, so we will identify and tick the box of the object starting with letter B. So we will tick the object bat. This is ambulance. It starts with the sound A. We will not circle it. This is box. It starts with the letter B with the sound B. So we will tick this. After that, we will trace letter B. And this is the tracing. We will start from the upper part of the page to the bottom, a straight line, then a curved line to the middle of the page, and then again by holding the pencil, curved line to the bottom of the page. Very good. Okay, you people will do yourself, and we will again start it from the start of the page to the bottom of the page, a straight line, then a curved line from the start of the page to the bottom, to the middle, and then a curved line to the bottom of the page. So this is the tracing of the B, and you will do it yourself. A capital B, and this is small b. A straight line from the top of the page to the bottom, or line, and a curved line to the middle of the page to the bottom. So this is the tracing of small b. Okay, let's do an activity. This is children learn flap. अब इसमें अगर हम देखें तो we can see there are various things where there are various letters written on the different boxes, like this is O, T, U, V. But where is our letter of the day? Our letter of the day is B. Then where is B? Previously we studied letter A. So it is the first letter, that is A. And this is B, our required letter B. This is A, this is B. B, जिसकी साउंड क्या है? B. So this is capital B and this is small b. Capital B की pronunciation B and the small b sound is B. And the vocabulary is bat, B for bat, and banana. So let's write it. We can write letter B by drawing a straight line from the top of the page to the bottom, then a curved line to the middle of the page, then a curved line to the bottom of the page. This is capital B. We can also draw the small b by drawing a straight line to the bottom of the page or the line and a curved line from the middle to the bottom. So this is tracing of the letter B, and it was our today's topic.